Welcome friends, and you are coming to see the property which is located in Taluka Roha and district Raigad. You can see the road, and this village road is a approach road to the property. You have the option to buy either 1 acre or 3.5 acre or total 4.5 acre in single lot. This is very much to the river rafting point. It is a complete table, fully soil plot. The electric poles are nearby to the property. It's a class 1 property. There are two Satbara. One is for 1 acre and another for 3.5 acres. And the two names, one for 1 acre and another for 3.5 acres. It falls in the village itself. Pune is 100 kilometer, Panvel is 90 kilometer. The price is 26 lakhs per acre. So those interested can call me for the site visit.